rocking a 2-ton truck like that? A rhinoceros in the prime of its life, which these people decided to set free. They're lucky the rhino decided not to end them from the trailer before letting the grizzly out. Because this big boy doesn't understand that they just helped him get home. Opportunity. For the first time, it can feel the grass and run free. And it was gonna be put down, but the villagers decided to break the cycle of violence and release it far away from people where it belongs.